Yo, what's going on YouTube? So we're here at Maple Grove Raceway.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
So yeah guys, we're here at the Throtl Throwdown. Right behind me, TJ's working on his Super right now. He hasn't gotten his launch off perfectly, or at least how he wants it, and we kind of snuck in here. We're not even supposed to be here, but don't tell nobody. We in I don't even know, not even VIPs here, so estamos aquí a lo loco.
Right there.
So right now we have Jimmy Oaks versus Big Time. I got my money on Big Time because I want to see them race TJ.
I got this.
Hey, I want to know. No. I said Big Time was gonna win.
Oh, you said?
Yeah, but when they raced TJ. Wait, is TJ racing this?
Yeah.
Oh, TJ, good luck. TJ is about to race an actual drag car, so we'll see. Hopefully he pulls through, but I don't know. False start, we take the wins. False start, TJ wins. Moving on to the next round. So right now we have Jake's McLaren versus Throtl Skyline. Going for the Skyline, let's see if we can improve our record to 2-0. Actually 3-0, because I had Big Time and I had TJ. So let's see if we can go 3-0 right here. Damn, Throttle's ready. They're already on the way. 7. Damn. I'm 2-1. Throttle jumped. I think that would have been an easy win too. Damn. I know Ricky's gonna be upset.
It's that.
863? Yeah, I don't think anyone's gonna beat that.
Let's go!
Damn! 860 is gonna be hard to beat. Right now, TJ and Big Time about to go at it. I'm going for TJ, so we're gonna see what happens. So right now they're trying to figure out and debate on the race. Alright, they agreed on a heads-up race, so we're gonna see. Hey, I called it. I called it. Let's go, TJ. I called it. Now he can really talk his shit. You know what I'm saying? TJ can really talk his shit now. I think this is gonna be a tough one for Jake. Full second on him. 9:05 to a 10:41. Damn. The finale is about to come up, but we're about to go check out the car show. And also, I think they're drifting over here. GT3 right here. Clean. Look at the interior.
Oh, we got everyone subscribe.
I'm gonna try to see if I can sneak back into the pits. So wish me luck, because I don't know how I did it the first time, but we're gonna try to do it again. Alright, so the final is about to happen. TJ versus Camaro. Clearly a drag car. It's gonna be best of 3. to a 9.4. Yeah, that's almost a whole second off, and I think that's TJ's best time. This race, TJ's getting the hit, but he has no pull. 8.5. It was 2 out of 3.
There's more people again. I'm forgetting it. I think Throtl for putting on the event. Those guys are okay. Yeah. It was awesome to have you out here.
This is the car that I've been trying to look at. It's a Throtl M340 that they built. Not a fan of the wrap, but I do love the Apex wheels. And also, they have M3 interior, just like mine. I'm trying to figure out if their seats work. I like this gauge right here. I like that. Steering wheel, not a fan of. They're missing the armrest. But the interior is nice. Carbon trim, nice. It's a good looking car. But I think when I finish my car, it's gonna look better. No hate. Originally, these were the seats that I wanted though. So guys, we're about to head out the event early, like always, because it's always a VQ. What is that, a VQ? VR? VQ? Whatever the fuck that is. It was a cool event. Got to meet TJ, Ricky from Throtl, some of the big time boys. Who else did we meet? Unfortunately, I didn't get to meet Jake, but we were in the same pits as him and all that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.